Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the logo for relationships, and this is a single girl here, and the purpose of this is to, this is the logo for it, so you click on it, and it's the slogans and logos and sayings for your Printful print-on-demand business, which is what you're in that area right now because you're watching this. So, and these are all the sayings and slogans and logos that are on this particular page with this girl here. Okay, so that's what it is. I recommend Printful because they teach you, they give you, they start you off for free. You don't have to pay anything, and they also train you as well. So you got training as well, and I'll show you that when I do the actual the demonstration of the sayings, how to create them. I'll create them right in front of you. Usually I do about three. So when I do them with this is PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, just as that, I just click there, and that'll and do it in that font there and that font there. Okay, so that's what happens with regards to that. That's what happens, and you'll get to know, you'll get to see how simple and easy it is to create your logos, slogans, and sayings. It's not that difficult. It really isn't. And if I can do it on the fly in front of you, I know you can sit down, you can plan it and do it yourself. You know, it's not that hard. It's just, you've just got to be a little bit disciplined and just sit down and do it, you know. But you need something. I guess you need something to do that. So, and you need the niches, which is what just do what I do. You know, well, use the niches I know: health, wealth, and relationships. Just start with there, and then put some lists underneath, and that's all you got to do. Okay. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye. Bye now.